What up, YouTube? It's your boy Trendsetter, man. Don't mind my pictures. This after I finish my workout, that I post my pictures with my workout. You feel me? Going out looking good and shit. But I'm coming at you, man. I used to weigh 250 something pounds. I'm a truck driver, so I bust my ass to lose this weight to drop down to 230. Before I start my workout, I like going on the treadmill and get my little sweat out my system. So I try to do 1 mile, 200 something calories, you feel me, to get my body pumping. And once I finish running, I get into my workout, you feel me? Now I'm all pumped, I'm all energized, I'm already sweating. I feel good. So as you can see, I run right here, 1 mile, 217 calories. That's what I do, you feel me? I know everybody might have different shit what they do, but this is my routine. So far, I was used to weigh 250, now I'm 230. So I think my routine been working pretty good for me. So it's up to you if you want to try my routine out. So